Hey, it's Jason Hawes from Ghost Hunters. One of the most common questions I'm asked by seasoned investigators and newbies in the field is, where do we get the equipment that you all see on Ghost Hunters? And that's at GhostStop.com. GhostStop's been inventing and manufacturing gear for over 10 years. They have a full range of everything you need, from basic EMF meters and EVP recorders to the advanced 360-degree camera systems. They even have the amazing Boo Buddy interactive bear. Boo Buddy's not just a bear, but it's also an investigator with many of the tools at the ready. Boo Buddy detects changes in the environment and responds to them by speaking, and even asks EVP questions. You may have seen the owner, Sean Porter, investigating with us on Ghost Hunters and bringing in new gear for us to work with. He's an investigator making equipment for investigators like us, and he's a very close friend of mine, and he takes my feedback. So if you're on the lookout for new investigation gear, and of course, most of us are, head on over to GhostStop.com right now. Also, make sure you follow them on Facebook to see what's new. GhostStop really is the one-stop shop for all your equipment needs, right from the guys who make it. That's www.ghoststop.com.